Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you are all doing well. So it's that time of the year again. Samsung has unveiled the new fold phones and smartwatches including Fold 7, Flip 7, Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So we decided to go to a Samsung experience store for a quick hands-on with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Unfortunately, the music in the store was very loud, so you may not be able to hear us very well, but from the video hopefully you'll get a good idea of the new Watch 8 Classic. In comparison to the Watch 6 Classic, please do comment down below and let us know your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and if you're going to be purchasing one as well. I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. So let's watch the video now. So this is the standard Galaxy
Watch 8, yeah.
Galaxy Watch 8, yeah.
And again, they've gone with the new this cushion design, similar to the Ultra's Ultra design.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I'm not sure about this. You've got that big screen raised here. It's quite small, and the finish looks alright. Yeah, but
it just looks a bit futuristic, minimalistic as well.
Yeah, it's very minimalistic. I'm interested in looking at the Classic.
Okay, so we've got the Classic, which will compare it.
Yeah. So this is the doesn't come out anymore. So this is the Classic. I have to say, it looks nice. Rotating bezels back.
I think the previous Classic, the rotating bezel was kind of like smoother, but the new one has like more gear look to it, doesn't it? Let's have a look and then we'll bring that one.
Yeah. So basically this is the 46 millimeter version of the Classic watch. As I said, the rotating bezel's back. Let's look at the bezel from this angle. You can see how much raised the bezel is. It's got a speaker here. They're not as large as the ones on the Watch Ultra. This one's got a nice finish. The silver stainless steel finish looks quite nice, and it's got this new connector there. So it's a bit similar to the ones on the Watch Ultra, but where you can there's push buttons there. You can push and release that.
Different.
Ultra is different, but you can connect adapter here onto Ultra as well. This one's not going to be compatible, so you're going to have to get. I think the watch strap looks quite small. What size is it saying here? Does it say?
I can't see.
So how many millimeters?
Yeah.
It looks to me like I don't know. It looks about 18 millimeters maybe. But the big thing about this watch is it's 46 millimeters, and as you can see, they've gone with the new Ultra cushion design again. But the screen is really small compared to the Classic you got there, which is 1.5 millimeters, and this one is This one's 1.37, I understand, and this one's 1.5. So that's quite a big difference. Although the screen does look really nice and sharp, you've got this markings there, the watch markings.
I think the marking here, this one is much bigger compared to this one.
Yeah, and also this one has this really raised,
yeah.
You know, the bezel, rotating bezel is really raised from the screen.
Yeah.
This one
is lower.
Slightly raised.
It's more on angle shape.
Can you see slightly, not much, not by much, which is fine because you know you can navigate through the watch really nicely and easily. So other changes is this one now has a third button as well, as you can see here, exactly similar to Mr. Big Brother Ultra here. So the size-wise, if we could do a comparison.
It looks very similar, doesn't it?
Very similar, because 47 and 46 millimeters.
They've lost basically the look of the Classic.
Yeah.
They made it more looking like the Ultra.
But the Ultra is 1.47 size the screen, so they've gone with a really small screen. When the watch is,
but you got the rotating.
You got the rotating bezel. The speaker, as I was saying, if you can see, it's quite a big speaker here compared to the speaker on this one, which is not that big. But hopefully the quality is okay. In terms of features, it's got obviously a new processor, Watch Classic, but it's the same processor as the Watch Ultra had. It's got these two buttons as usual. It's got a new sort of layout of user interface. So if we look at, for example, from here, and then if I wanna,
yes guys, you okay? Anyone would like to?
yeah, if I wanna sort of go around, these are the tiles now. Whereas this watch, the tiles are different on this one.
Yes, of course. We have the 8 Classic and also the 8 as well. This is brand new. This is the brand new release today.
So you can see the tiles here are different.
The setup is different as well.
Yeah.
The 8 Classic. Classic has the Bezel
So
battery life.
here you've got the usual stuff like the blood pressure, ECG, and oxygen, the energy score, and they've got some new features where you can measure your dietary and running coach. Let's actually see if I can see any of that stuff here.
Am I? Yeah. No, not really. I mean, I have this.
So in terms of notification,
You know the diet thing that you were saying about
yeah.
the
So
Classic. Can we try that one?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Actually, you'll be under Samsung. So this is kind of similar, and you can see it's nice to be using the rotating bezel again. Exercise, your running coach,
Checking healthy habits.
body composition, all
Go
that.
up, down. Check your
No,
habits.
the sleep coach.
Oh, okay. Food. There was food up
No,
there.
it's not. That allows you to log food. It's going to be here. It's going to be stress, blood oxygen, water, age. We've already had age on Watch Ultra. It's this one here. This new one here, the vascular load. You can see your heart condition of your heart. We can try that, and this is the one. That's the one, the food index.
And to try it.
Antioxidant index. Yeah, let's try it. So you have to
Put it on your
you have
hand.
to put your thumb. No, you have to put it on your thumb.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if we can.
They have any of those? Is it here right now?
Oh, you might have to have it connected to a phone, is it?
Press the card of your thumb firmly on the center, which I am doing.
Also, it is technically pre-ordered today. It's just it's not on display.
It's just not on the
It's measuring now.
Again, much better battery life.
So it's very low.
You hardly eat any vegetables.
Yeah.
Is that what he's saying?
I think so, yeah. So that's not a very good sign. And then you can check more information on the phone. That's not very good. But I think it takes few days or a couple of weeks before over time you kind of
Learns your pattern.
learns. You're not gonna get your count straight away. That's gonna be accurate. So the other one I was gonna show you quickly was this one here. So yeah, this is your vascular load needs improvement. Actually, that's not mine.
Yeah, someone else's.
Yeah. What do you think of the screen though?
I think compared to this one, I think
Are you looking to pre-order any of these
it's a
today?
bit small, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, so
Can I put it on my hand?
if you
Yeah.
take them with any of these phones, it's 30% off. You pay £25 deposit today, and you can basically get them on the 22nd of July.
Looks quite in terms of thickness, looks quite thick. I think probably because of the rotating bezel. The design of it makes it look thicker because it stands out more.
It looks quite a bit thick, doesn't it? No, don't forget there's a big plate.
Black, yeah.
Yeah, the security tag connected underneath.
Yeah.
So the watch is not that thick. It's not thinner than the Ultra, but there's a huge.
Yeah, that explains it.
Yeah, security tag.
So actually, in effect,
It would sit a lot more on your.
in effect, the watch is literally from the silver part
Yeah.
to here.
Try a different face.
I get 200 now.
Quite a nice face.
Yeah, looks nice.
Yeah. It's got Gemini AI here. So, you know, if you press, you can do voice commands through Gemini. That's quite a nice face.
Yeah,
Looks quite good actually. What do you think?
it looks good.
It's got a leatherish,
That leather stuff is nice. Yeah.
semi-leather.
Semi-leather.
I think so, yeah.
It's comfortable.
Yeah,
The stitching is nice as well, stands out.
yeah.
The buckles looks nice. Put it next to each other.
Yeah, can I just check the torch? I don't know if the brightness is
Yeah, it's the
full
full.
brightness. Which one do you like most?
I think the Ultra stands out more.
Which one?
The Ultra stands out more,
Yeah,
but I think the Classic has its own look,
yeah.
particularly because of the rotating
Bezel.
Yeah,
Should I buy this?
you always buy the Classic, don't you?
Do you need to from the side? Can I just check the... Not as bright as...
But the lighting here is quite strong.
Quite strong anyway. Let's try this one.
Yeah, the Ultra is brighter, much more brighter. Try the Classic, this one. That's okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's alright. This one, what is the watch, yeah?
Not that bright.
No.
Yeah.
So
First,
second,
second,
third,
third.
yeah.
Just check on any other watch faces quickly.
Nah, no new watch faces.
No, there's some, but like this one.
That one's nice.
Yeah. This one we already had on the other watches. That's it.
Yeah.
Obviously you can download more watch faces anyway. But I think this one looks really nice.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you found our Galaxy Watch 8 Classic hands-on helpful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing, and don't forget to keep your notification bell on for our upcoming videos. Also, do let us know in the comment section if you are planning to buy the new Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.